It is here. The government has now confirmed at least one case of the Omicron variant of the coronavirus here in our country. Thanks for joining us tonight, everybody. I'm Mark Zinni.
And hi, everyone. I'm Erin Connolly. We have learned it was found in a fully vaccinated patient in California who was just traveling in South Africa. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Marcy Jones is joining us live tonight with the latest details on this. Marcy.
That's right, Mark and Aaron. We've seen multiple variants before this one, and simply put, top health officials say that this variant is not to cause panic, but should be paid attention to.
When the first case of the Omicron variant was confirmed in the U.S. today, questions like, how severe is this, or how transmissible is this variant, became front and center.
Those are important questions, and a lot depends on answers that hopefully we'll get in the next couple of weeks.
Dr. Albert Koh of Yale School of Public Health says, like all mutations of COVID-19, details become more clear over time.
I think we have to put everything in perspective. We've learned a lot about these variants. We know that some variants take off, like the Delta variant. We know that some variants take off but then die away. So every variant that comes on our plate is not necessarily going to cause the devastation, but we have to be prepared.
In the meantime, Dr. Koh suggests vaccines, boosters, and sticking to the basics.
The ABCs, which have been the uses of face masks, testing, and getting people diagnosed and getting isolated and so forth.
Dr. Koh says we've been in this position before with the Alpha, Gamma, and Delta variants, but each mutation is not created equal, and neither is the response.
Hopefully we won't have to go to the more heavy-handed approaches like the lockdown and the social gathering sizes and so forth. But we do know what works, and I think to keep our citizens safe.
Even though it often feels like a game of hurry up and wait, Dr. Koh says with common sense and some patience, there is light at the end of the tunnel.
We have to prepare for the worst and hope for the best. And that's kind of our motto in public health and in medicine, to do our due diligence.
President Biden says that he will lay out his administration's plan to fight COVID through the winter months tomorrow. Live in Rocky Hill, Marcy Jones, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.